Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect Doken to Asana using BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the BitFlows plugin on our site. Now, go to the Flows page. Click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Now click Select an app and search Doken as a trigger. New vendor added. Now click on the Listen Response button and go to the Doken vendor dashboard. Add a new vendor. Fill up the vendor. Vendor created successfully done. Now go to BitFlows dashboard. The vendor data will be available in captured response. Now close the Trigger tab. Click the plus icon. Then search and select Asana. Create task as an action. Add connection. You can change connection name. To get the token, go to the Asana dashboard. Click on Create New Token button. Enter the token name. Create token. Now you will see your token. Copy and paste it here. Connect. Select projects. You can add these fields as per your requirements. Add tag. Map the respective field. Close it. Now click Test Flow once. Use existing data. Click on the Log button to view details. In the Log section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded. To verify the created gist in Asana, go to Asana dashboard. Select Projects. You can see data came successfully done. Thanks for watching.